Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit the text on the text template in a CapCut PC. So here I'm going to just start by adding the text template first. So go to text and click on the text template option. Then just choose the one you want. So for example, okay, this one. Just download the text template first and click on the plus icon to add it to your clips. Okay, there's some error. I'm going to just add this one. So just click on that. Okay, so in here you can see the text is live record, and to change it you can just go to the text options in here, and this is the text box. Just delete this one and create a new one. So example like this, and you are done, and the text will be changed into the one you write. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. Bye.